तो आज भी क्या नोटिन डेवलप करसे तो आज तो मेडिम ना से तो all the young peoples आरो मैं लगा सब्सक्राइब हुई किम्मन से सब ये हैप्पी मेडिम नो डे इधु लाजिबु लगा वेबसाइट पर इधु आगे बुंसे जासे तो आज तो मुका लगा एदा कोसु 임중 लगा मेडिम नो से तो मुका आज प्रोग्राम पब्लिक प्रोन जासे दो मो चाहिए ना चिप केस कान स्पीच कान होली भी और प्रोग्राम की लो वाले से मो चाहिए ना शॉर्ट होली मो दिखा चाबो दो मोला व्यूअर्स और सब्सक्राइबर स्कीम ना वही ना साइबी चाहिए ना जितो बेसी इंटरेस्ट हो दो चाहिए ना दिखाओ चलो मो जा आई तो मो ये ना पब्लिक ग्राउंड बुंचे से तो 이동한 몽중 걸서 트로바세 이동한도 칩 캐시 리시프 그룹을 가라고 하세 또 자비아지도 유닉 이도 뭐간 메딤누나 이도 보일러 포파르 기능가 드레스 칸비 라가세 이도 라가 유닉 아지도 뭐간 메딤누 캐시로 남데 칩 캐시비 이도 리시프 그룹을 하세 데 자비 이시 핸섬 가마시 아지도나 핸섬 이도 बोला फॉर खानिस ने तो तगन भी ओलप हमसे किना फलना
थैंक यू सो मच
ओके पीछे फल मानो खाने से फल से भी तो खाना से दुकान मुखन ला डाउन दे दुकान डांसिंग ग्रुप वाले की लगा पार्टिसिपेंट होले तगन भाई लोगे ना काम करते आजकल जनरेशन खान लोगों दे भी तगन लोगों दे इंस्पायर हुए ना काम कर सभी तो हेजा तो वीआईपी आहे बोले आसे दे तो वीआईपी के रिसेप्शन को बोले हेजा तो मुखम भी रेडी होश तो से मगन लगा मेडिम फेस्टिवल बाजाकान 당고 마음소 인조이 그래서 또 뭐라 우리 사서 요가 명 먹은 거도 인조이 그래 그나 할나
Merim Salam. To begin with, let me read one scripture passage from the book of Psalm number 100, verses 4 and 5. Give thanks to him. Bless his name. For the Lord is good. His steadfast love endures forever, and his faithfulness to all generations.
진이에서 메디밀 페스티벌 김두쇼 니몽 아즈 멍에지 교제 앞으게 징 금몽 시초 두쇼 진이에서 민지비에 아니는 진이
Continuing with the tradition, we would like to invite our Honorable DC, Shri Arikamba, and his lady wife to kindly come forward and receive a token of respect and appreciation. His lady wife.
অলপ জুম কৰিব লাগিব যাও 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 이호절 무셔야 돼. 응? 이호절 무셔야 돼.
저.
그런 게 보셔.
그러니까.
DC.
May I also have an honor and privilege to invite and receive a token of respect and appreciation.
Good morning. Samato roigina tui muina nisina hoyase. Apunian kuda unigina ar jumba ki hota amila kani ne hogina dagi. Kele mani ami ki mathi ase na ke koigina. Aste aste adat hui jabo hoi boigina. To এতিয়া তো আমি কি মাথিয়া লৈ কিনা আপুনি কথা কৰি আছে হৈ না এতিয়া বুজি লৈ আছে well program conveners organizers of this Madunyo festival respected our guest of honor Sri Opit Koinger chairman Beekeeping and Honey Mission, Governor of Nagaland. Respected our Lieutenant Colonel, 32 ER. Respected Sri Yang Sumbong, Vice President, YDC. Respected our RSP, Hamadur, all the esteemed officers. Also, team from our Honey Mission, program participants, Aro Posti, Osor, Aro Torbara, Aji, Edo program di Kiman John Ahigina, Yati Eten Kurigina se, Sobki, Amar District Administration Jamadur, Aro Hamila Family Namdi, Within you, warm festival. Greetings. Sobki chunai diya se. Aro. আজি ইমান দিন বহাল আৰু হেল্থ বহাল আমাক চব লোক পাবলৈ ইয়াতো one of the most cherished traditional festival of our people. Inya koi jani paise edo festival do kali amagan feasting bhat kabo mangso kabo noali bo dance koribo edo he noegina edo laga festival laga significance to bishi bahal aro bishi tangor ase koigina edu jini paise festival laga significance to thanksgiving amagan bhagwan gibi thanks dia laga ekta festival ase aro renewal of relationship aro forgiveness ekjon ki maaf kori dia aro sadi pana friendship pana aro hope for a better future iniga ani itu buji paise itu festival pura amaga logodi itu karone itu festival significance to amagan utai yati rakhigina amar district amagan district manogan ge ekjon ki encourage korina takili bhalo ho koina jani janai dia ase as we celebrate this festival ami aro amar any symbol thought ita amaga logodi share koribole mon ase amagan every society or every community has a history ekta thaki ami ao mano ase amagan ao community laga bi history ase kine ka aise kine ka dakise past history edu nishina amagan community alag nijor history ase amagan edu history dikia prosperity to every household wisdom to our leaders strength to our youth and God abundant blessing upon Shamadar district and all its people. Happy Metamyo, thank you, and God bless you all.
Firstly, good morning to everyone.
Morning.
The esteemed presence of the chief guest, the SP, DC. I feel greatly honored and privileged that I've been made part of this rich cultural festival of uniquely that is identical to Shamator district and of the Yimking tribe. And it has been my privilege that I've just been newly posted to Nagaland, and it is a good start for me that I will start my service and my duty here in Nagaland in the Shamator district, in the Brotherhood district, and starting off with the Mitumnyo festival. So keeping that in mind, firstly I wish all of you a happy Mitumnyo and thanking everyone. And firstly, apologies that Colonel Ghanendra Pratap couldn't be here. He was stuck because of the landslide in Yakor. He couldn't reach here on time. And coming on to what the DC had just told, a beautiful speech, sir.
Asuba Madam Yo,
Asu Medmio.
Happy Madam Yo,
Happy Medmio.
Achin, Aku Beching, Madam Yo, Minchi Benge, was respected. Madam Yo, Tobu Sri Obet Quaker, Chairman, Nagaland Beekeeping and Honey Mission, Government of Nagaland, and his team on the ranch. My sincere respect to our Deputy Commissioner, Sri Ari Kamba, and his lady wife, and distinguished administrative officers,
아도르는 뒤에도 뒤에 하대 뒤에라 헐! 아! 뒤에 좋아해! 그래! 하게 둘룩두가 좋아해! 그래! 뒤에 좋아해! 알지칭 이거 뭐 문제 봐봐 저기 오랑씨 에이 오랑 잡은 씨 호 아니 뭐 하얀 모르네 하대 틀린다 에이 에이 뭔데 적시 헤이 된다고 사배를 모르던 거 저하로 뭐래 뭔데 쓰지 헤이 다른 간다 다른 게 하자서 에이 아서는 사지 말고 해나 번지원시 타오
from 2009 to 2011, and as Information Secretary of the Yimchung Tribal Council from 2008 to 2012. In the political arena, he served as Secretary of the NBF Dimabur of service in different capacities, speak of his experience, leadership, dedication, and commitment to the community. We are truly honored and privileged to have him with us on this special occasion. Therefore, with great respect, may I invite our esteemed chief guest, Sri Orbit Kilmer, to kindly come forward and grace this stage.
Really, thank you so much for the kind words. These days, there is a statement saying we look to ChatGPT and AI when we run out of ideas. Exactly, I fall in that category this morning because earlier speakers have really spoken out everything that I thought I would be sharing today. So I may have to resort to all those things. Thank you, chairpersons, the leaders, Mr. Kamla and Mr. Lato, Youth Director, STBC, Servant of God, Mr. Makam, Reverend, thank you. Convener, Senior Committee, Shamator, Mr. M. Chunso, and his committee members, Mr. T. Ritrong, Secretary GB's Association of Shamator, Mr. Arikamba, Deputy Commissioner Shamator, and his lady wife, Lieutenant Colonel Siddharth and his lady wife, and rank and file of the 32 Assam Rifles Shamator, Mr. Yan Somong, Vice President Yimchung Tribal Council, Shamator District Police Chief, Mr. Suresh, all participants of today's program, all invitees, all dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Before I resort to my language, I would like to share my mind with the non-Yimkyong speaking invitees and guests here today. You know, one thing I really would like to we do bigger than this. The stage gets bigger and there's no room for error. That was some years ago, some time ago, when Zangamyo was not made so popular. But then our focus went to January 16. And August have become a little, less significant. However, in the land of festivals, it will be like, you'll find yourself searching for sand on a sandy beach. There's no dirt for festivals. Lieutenant Colonel Siddharth, I assure you, you'll be experiencing lots and lots of festivals. Shamator has one of the best geographical and also one of the best and most challenging geographical challenges, I'll tell you. One, we are surrounded by nothing else but steep cliff. Development comes at a price where we always scratch our back, scratch our heads when we talk about acquiring lands. When there's no land, you cannot acquire the lands. That's one big challenge that we almost come across. So the small plot of land that we have, we always do everything here. So to say, this ground is a multi-purpose ground. It serves as a festival ground. It serves as many other purpose grounds and many other things. You come to Shamator, this is the most happening place you will ever come across. Government programs are held here. Social programs are held here. Spiritual programs are held here. You name anything, this is a one-stop shop for Shamator. But even as this happens, we are faced with so many challenges. There are challenges of soil.
저 मैं बाहर ओलासे दो मखान मैजिम न फेस्टे बोले आजा खान ओले भी अम्मा खान ओले भी और पापा खान वो वाइगन एरिया से भी मैजिम न्यू तो ऑब्जर्व हुआ से तो वैनसिना एरिया चिप केस भी एरिया स्पीच शुरू हो से तो सभी एरिया खुद मोबाइल आसे मखान या तो प्रोग्राम खुद हुआ से तो सभी 또 그건 지나 가로 한 수업자니 뭐한 나가 만우도 가위 망치 타기고 이제 가버려서 또뭐 가로도 나 되가고 또 아직 프로그램 너무 되가시 바로 이제 뭐 바하르데 아이게나 도만 만우 점마 부시데 그이나 이도 비디오에 만우고 사삭사가니 비시데 넥스트로 봐보 봐봐